Hi guys, welcome back to Laila's Home Cooking. On today's episode, I want to show you how I make rasmalai. This was requested for so long, and today I'm trying to make this for you just before Eid, so this can serve you on the Eid day. This can be your recipe on the Eid day. For the ingredient, okay, let's go for the milk. For the milk ingredients, this is whole milk or full cream milk liquid, or you can maybe full fat milk liquid, granulated sugar, cardamom powder. For the rasmalai, this is dry milk powder, just a bit of plain flour, baking powder, beaten egg, ghee, some sliced almond. Again, now I have a non-stick heavy bottom pan on the stove, and the heat is medium, between low to medium. And now you're gonna add your milk and let this boil. This will take about 8 to 10 minutes. In the meantime, let's make the rasmalai. Just take a spoon and mix the flour, the baking powder together. Add the egg, and the vegetable ghee. I have already washed my hand, and I'm gonna do this by hand. Just all you're gonna do is just mix them. Mix until become a dough, until you see the rasmalai has become together, just like a dough. And if you're having trouble getting the dough together, you can always add a little bit of liquid milk to make it together, but this should be fine. Okay guys, now you can see the rasmalai dough has become together, and what you're gonna do is just leave it on your table for about 5 minutes. In the meantime, we're gonna go check on the milk. Okay, you guys can see that the milk started to boil. Add the sugar. Keep stirring. Add the cardamom powder. If you want to add whole cardamom, you can do that. But by adding cardamom powder, you can have extra flavor from the cardamom. Now, make sure they don't stick in the bottom. That's why it's very good to use a non-stick and also heavy bottom pan for the rasmalai. Now I'm gonna reduce my heat to low and leave this on the stove. Leave this just like that. Let it boil again. Stirring time to time. So my milk is still boiling. I let it on low heat and let it keep boiling. It's not gonna like go up and fall, nothing like that. In the meantime, let's make the rasmalai. Now you can do small, you can do medium, you can do a big size. That's up to you. Now what I like to do is just press down, make sure they are very smooth when you roll them. Do is just flat them just a little bit, not much, and then set them on a tray, on a plate. I want to do all of that, and then we're gonna go put them into the milk. Let's check the milk, guys. Now you can see the stove is still on between medium and low, and now you guys can see I have to keep stirring it so it doesn't touch in the bottom. And it's about time to add the rasmalai to the milk. You guys can see the rasmalai started to boil. Now do not touch it with a spoon or anything. Just let it cook just as is. And that would take about 10 minutes, and the heat is still on low. Okay guys, it's been 5 minutes since the rasmalai is in the milk. I have just take a fork and just flip them gently. For now, I'm gonna add just a little bit of sliced almond. You can add as much as you want. And then this has to cook for another 5 minutes. And then I'm gonna turn the heat off. 10 minutes. Now you can see the rasmalai is not yellow anymore. It's become white. Now you know that the rasmalai has been cooked. Shut this off. Now what you're gonna do is let the rasmalai cool just on your table, just as is. After like half an hour, then you can switch them to a different container and then put them in the fridge, and you can have a nice cold rasmalai. Hope you enjoy this video with me. Get the full written recipe down below, full measurement of ingredient, and give it a try. Tag me in the social media and let me know how your rasmalai turn out. I will see you next time. Bye.